Hey guys, it's Amber. So today I'm going to be doing what's in my everyday makeup drawer for April. I've been really enjoying doing this because at the end of the month, I've really been able to look back and reflect and think, did I use this? How did it go? Did I like it? Some of the things I've chosen to roll over into April for March, whether I just really liked it or if I didn't really get a chance to use it and I want to give it a chance. So there are some repeats, but I'll go ahead and start with foundation and just work my way through. So first off, for my foundations, I've still been using this combination. That's what I'm wearing right now, and it's actually going really good. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in Porcelain, and this is the Photo Focus Foundation in Cream Beige. For some reason, the combination of these are my perfect shade, and I really like the finish of it, so that has been good. For my primer, I'm gonna go back to my Cover FX Blurring Primer. I have still been loving my Tarte Shape Tape, and I haven't had any issues with milia, so I'm glad I gave this another try. I've mostly been using it for spot concealing and then on my eyelids and a little bit under my eyes, but I also have this e.l.f. Maximum Coverage Concealer that I'm also going to be using. So since I lightened things up with my hair, it's a little blonder than it was before. I did dramatic brow today with my eye look, but I figure I need to keep it light most of the time, so I have my IT Brow Power and also my Essence Make Me Brow. And then for mascara, I've been using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. They recently went cruelty free, so I embraced CoverGirl back into my makeup collection, and this is my first purchase from them in like years. So far it's been going good, and my eyelashes have not been breaking, so yay. And then I've got my AOA Perfect eyeshadow primer, and then this is something I haven't used in a long time. This is the Pretty Vulgar, the ink blacklist is what it's called. So I'm gonna play with this, and it's again something to see, like, am I using this? Do I like it? Do I want to keep using it? That sort of thing. All right, and I will tell you the two palettes I'm using, but at the end. So for blushes, I'm still going to be using the same bronzer as I was last month, which is the Lorac Tantalizer. I feel like it's a good shade. I've been liking the look of it. I like the highlight in here as well, so I'm going to keep this. Also, I didn't feel like I got a lot of use out of this blush, the Shu Uemura blush, and I did not really get any use. I didn't use this at all, and so I'm like, I gotta get a chance to use this, see how I feel about it. Then I grabbed a couple more blushes. This is one that's been in my favorites a few times. This is one I got from a BoxyCharm. This is the Studio Makeup Luminous Loose Blush, and it is a really flattering neutral color for me. And then I have the Be a Bombshell. Man, I've had this for like 10 years, forever. Probably not that long, but this is in Sweet Cheek. I got this in an Ipsy bag, so it is extremely old, but it is really, really pretty, and it's something I wanted to use again. And then I have this MAC. This is Gentle, and it has a little bit more of a purple tone. So not giving myself too many options so I can get some use out of each of these. I forgot to mention my powder, which is the Bare Minerals powder. I'm still trying to use that up, so that is the same. So in addition to the Lorac highlighter, I also am going to keep using this Wet n Wild Precious Petals. I only use this like once or twice. I am wearing it today, and I really liked it, so I'm like, I need to keep this for another month. And I thought I would throw a little curveball in this month. So this is the Unicorn Glow Highlighter Palette. This is from Shop Hush. And although it does have some really wearable ones right here, there are also some not so like everyday colors. And I thought it would be kind of fun to play around with those for spring. All right, you know, lips is always where I go a little bit crazy. So I'll just show you things that are staying. So I have Narzana, which is on my lips today. I have the Wonder Matte Hype. This is just such a great neutral pinky shade for me. I have my favorite nude, which is Nude Beach. I've got to swatch this. I don't know if this is something they even make anymore, but this is one of my favorite neutral shades. And also this Essence Color Party. I like to have this in here because I like to have something that's not too strong when, you know, I want just a nice little pink something on my lips. And what else did I keep? I think that's all. And then I'm adding in the Melted Peony from Too Faced. And this is Westy from ColourPop. This is Cosmo from AOA Studios. This is a kind of a deeper color. It's a little bit more purple and it's a metallic. But I didn't have anything else that would be like darker metallic. So I thought, what the heck. I've got Blessed. This is a really fun coral color. Now that we're getting into more springtime, I was like, yeah, I'm in the mood for some coral. And speaking of coral, I have 3 more. So this one is actually called Hot Commodity. This is a e.l.f. matte lip color. This one was actually in the box last month too, but I did not ever use it. This is Flirtatious from e.l.f. It's a really nice light kind of pinky coral. And this is one that I don't remember when I last used this. This is an AOA Princessa. I don't know what the shade is. There's no name on it, but it is a really pretty shade. So that's all of my lips. So mostly nudes and pinks and a little bit of coral. Oh wait, I forgot one. This is from Jordana. This is Rosette. This is kind of a pinky purple bubblegum pink, but it's a more of a sheer wash of color. So I'm gonna be using that one as well. Okay, so now for my palettes. I really just wanted to pick something that I wanted to use. And I know everyone's tired of hearing the M word, and I am not affiliated with them, but I do actually like this palette, and it is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So this is going to be one of the palettes I'm using for this month. It's obviously huge into the neutrals and the pinks and the warms, but it does dabble over in the color shades as well. I feel like this is one that a lot of people have, and you know what, I want to use it. I've been really enjoying having a companion palette to something that I feel like would complement this. And this does have a lot of neutrals and shimmers, but there's nothing that's like super glittery. So I was like, why don't we just throw in something fun? And this is the palette. This is the ColourPop Golden State of Mind. This is one that I feel like is a companion palette. I don't feel like this can really create a look on its own. So I'll most likely be doing 2 looks using both of these palettes, but I thought, okay, this is going to go really well together. I mean, so let me just, for example's sake, you know, I can do, you know, a dark base, and then you kind of have your transition shade, and then we can go into one of these. Let's see. Go into this shade right here. And pop it on and give it a little extra glimmer. Kind of see how these would work together. So those are all of the things that I've chosen for this month. If you guys have any suggestions for next month, I would be happy to hear it. I tried to pick things that I didn't feel like were too similar. I almost chose this Winky Lux Kitten palette, but I looked at the colors in the Jaclyn Hill palette and I feel like they were similar enough that I wouldn't need both of them. So I really tried to pick things that I think I could use together. So that was kind of my reasoning behind that. But if there is a palette that you know that I have that you would like to see me use for next month, let me know and I'd be happy to choose something you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more videos. If you want to see more of what I'm up to every day, I do have 2 different Instagrams. One that's more fitness and lifestyle, and one that is beauty mostly only. So, thanks so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!